This place is very scary. You have to walk through this tunnel.
We've passed through a dangerous tunnel after climbing the mountain for more than an hour. Far away is our little tour guide in the village. He was leading us. What a boy.
Okay. These holes under the rocks looks like an animal. Like it looks like maybe animals live here. Very dangerous, you know. Sometimes pythons and other big animals live in things like this, close to Baba.
Yeah. Where's the boy?
Our little tour guide got missing. We don't know where he is, so we are looking for him. He speaks Ewe. We literally thought some animal carry him out because we are far away on top of the mountain.
Hey, fica tu, mano.
Meanwhile, he was hiding in the tunnel. So I was asking him, where are you passing? And he said, we have to pass through that tunnel before we can get to our destination just to see the waterfall. Charlie, this is dangerous.
Is
it a tunnel? But where are we not going?
Fica com ele, tá? Calma.
This thing be serious.
God is good though.
I tell you. Fica.
I can't get down.
Fica. Can you?
Oh, you should have looked at me.
Bullet, if you can't come, you can wait somewhere.
So where's the water? Is it?
Finally, we got to our destination. We are able to see the water falling from the mountain. This mountain is very tall. As you can see, that is the water falling from the above. Charlie, it's a very beautiful view. You can see very dangerous place in it. This is more than 1 hour of climbing a mountain. It's not easy. This mountain is between Ghana and Togo in the Volta region. This is the Aflabo Waterfalls. Charlie, travel to Volta region, travel to Ghana, travel to Africa. It's a very beautiful place to have a look and continue watching. We have more things ahead, more interesting things ahead. Continue watching. Finally, we are at our destination. As you can see, that is the Aflabo Waterfall. It's located in Logba in the Volta region of Ghana. This is a very dangerous place. You can see the rocks. This is far on top of the mountain. Very dangerous and beautiful.
This place is very scary. You have to walk through this tunnel. This is very scary. It's a whole tunnel on it.
Oh.
This is more than scary. Let's go.
Your friend is on.
Oh, he can't.
Thank guys for watching our video. Can you subscribe?